Thanks for taking the time to listen to this introductory presentation on Google Classroom created by John Cheeseman and William Rice for our University of Calgary EDER 679 course. The purpose of this presentation is to help introduce you to Google Classroom. First, we'll talk about what it is so that you'll know when talking to other educators about Google Classroom. 2, what are the key features you could explore? Exactly what is it that this tool does? And 3, the key benefits. Why would you as an educator choose to use this instead of other options? At the end of this session, we'll revisit these goals to see how we've done. Google Classroom is a new tool which connects together all Google Apps for Education tools in a single place. This single interface allows educators and students to interact natively in a Google environment. Classroom may be attractive for instructors who are not currently using an LMS or who are already teaching with Google Drive and its suite of productivity apps. Although not a true LMS, Google Classroom does incorporate a number of aspects of LMS systems into its structure. There are a number of key features in Google Classroom, the first being the ability for instructors to create, track, and collect assignments. These assignments are made up of any file type, but are generally used with Google Docs such as Docs and Presentations. This allows the assignment to be handed out to the students. The students can then create a document and return that document to the teacher, all digitally and in a Google environment. Teachers can quickly see who has or hasn't completed the work and provide direct, real-time feedback to individual students through communication tools such as the comment feature in Google Docs. Google Classroom has a number of communication features embedded in the tool. These help improve class communications. Teachers can make announcements, ask questions, and comment with students in real time. This improves communication inside and outside of the class. Each assignment has a comment stream that applies to the entire class, and each handed-in assignment creates its own comment stream between just the student and the teacher. A third exciting feature of Google Classroom is the ability to automatically create drive folders for each assignment given. These assignments are then organized into separate folders for each student. The files are automatically named, and it also gives the students a quick list of what's due on their assignments page. There are a number of key benefits to using Google Classroom. The first is its easy setup. Setting up a new classroom is really just a few clicks away, and with advanced enrollment options like registering through a student code, students can be added to the classroom through crowdsourcing, where each student adds themselves, saving the teacher valuable time. In fact, it takes such a short time to create a class, I created one while I was talking to you. Speaking of time, many of the things in Google Classroom save the teacher time. By only having to post the assignment once for every student to get it, and only in one place, the teacher is saving valuable time reposting materials to a number of places. The organization features of Google Drive mean that the teacher is not tied to reorganizing their folders again and again. This also improves teacher organization so Google files are not lost. A record is also kept of whether students have handed assignments in or not, thus making sure that the teacher is always on top of which students need to hand in assignments. Unlike in the past, with Google Classroom, once the teacher understands that a student has not handed in an assignment or is struggling, the teacher can easily communicate with them in a number of ways. They can leave comments tagged directly to areas of need in the document or assignment being completed. They can leave a comment in the comment stream for an individual student, or a comment to the group at large to ensure that mistakes that a few students are making are not made by the rest. This, when paired with Gmail as another communication tool, provides the teacher with an almost unlimited number of ways of contacting and supporting students. Google Classroom is also very affordable, and by affordable I mean free. Schools and systems with Google Apps for Education accounts can use Google Classroom for free right now. It's also secure, enjoying the same encryption and security features as all other Google Apps for Education accounts. So we've reached the end of our presentation, and now you know what Google Classroom is, what Google Classroom does, and why you might want to use Google Classroom. For more information, visit classroom.google.com in order to find out more and to get started today.